Hello and welcome to spoken tutorial on simple filters with Linux. Here we will be learning about head, tail, sort, cut and paste. All these are command line text manipulation tools. If you see a hash symbol on the terminal, you need to become root to execute those commands. Sudo su or su root. If you see a dollar symbol on the terminal, you can be an ordinary user to execute those commands. I assume that you did a default installation and did not modify any path where the files are getting saved. I am using Ubuntu 10.10 for this tutorial. Prerequisites for this module are the ability to use mouse, keyboard, maximize and minimize buttons on a window. We use the head command followed by an ASCII file name to display the first 10 lines of a file by default. Let us create a file. I am hitting on the escape key to show this practically. Go to Application, Accessories, Text Editor. I already have these numbers in another file. For the sake of time constraint, let me copy and paste. Hit on File, Save, name the file as numbers.txt, hit on Save. Close this file. Now go to Application, Accessories, Terminal. Let us try to see if we can see the file we created. Type ls and hit on enter. What we did here is to list all folders and files on our home directory. Now we can use the cat command to read the contents of the file we created. Cat num, hit on tab to autofill the file name, hit on enter. Let us do the same with the head command. Head numbers.txt, enter. Now the first 10 lines are displayed. If we want to see the first 5 lines, use the option -n5 in between the head command and the file. Hit on up arrow, -n5, enter. Now the first 5 lines alone are displayed. Let us switch back to the presentation. F5. The tail command works exactly opposite to the head command. It displays the last 10 lines of a file by default. I am hitting on Alt and Tab to switch to the terminal. Tail numbers.txt. If we want to see just the last 5 lines, use the option -n5 in between the tail command and the file name. -n5, enter. Switch to slides. A log file contains events which took place in a system. Auth.log file maintains logs for who logged in and who logged out. The most useful option of a tail command is to use -f option to follow the tail of a log file. If a new line is appended to the log file, the tail command will take that as the last line and display 10 lines by default above it. Go to the terminal. Tail -f/var log auth.log. Let me resize this terminal. Let us open another terminal. Application, Accessories, Terminal. Let me resize this terminal so that I can show you in a single screen how tail follows the last line in a log file. try to SU as yourself, hit on enter. Given some wrong password and hit on enter, you will see that the terminal on which tail is running is appended with a new log. The date and time specifies when the authentication failure took place. Type date, hit on enter to verify the system date and time. Type exit to close this terminal. Hit Ctrl C to close the running tail command and maximize the screen. We have seen only auth.log file in the previous example. These are the commonly used log files in Linux. A Linux system administrator will look into these log files for more information to troubleshoot his machine if there is a problem. Sort command, as the name suggests, will sort a file for us in both ascending and descending order. Sort numbers.txt. This would sort our numbers.txt file in ascending order. Notice something is strange in there. Sort just looks at the first character to sort, so 10, 11 and 12 appears before the number 2. To avoid this, add the option of -n. Enter. Now sort looks at the entire number to sort them. To sort numbers.txt in reverse order, add an option of -r. We have numbers that repeat in this file. To pull out just the unique numbers, add another option of -u. Go to terminal, up arrow, u, enter. Previously 2 2s were displayed, now only 1 2 is displayed. Now we will see how we can sort a file based on certain column. Let us create a file and key in as shown below. Go to Applications, Accessories, Text Editor. I already have the data in another file. For the sake of time constraint, let me copy and paste the value. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, file, save it as marks.txt, hit on save. Don't mind the special characters on this file. I don't want someone to sue me for giving them low marks. Close this file. Let us sort based on the second column of marks.txt file. Go to the terminal, sort space marks.txt space -t space open inverted comma space close inverted comma space. Here -t stands for the delimiter and the space in between the quotes represents it. -k2 for the second column on which sort should be performed. Hit on enter. Cat marks.txt. This is the original file. If you see, Avir is moved above and Bala came below when we sorted based on the second column alone. Cut command is used to cut just certain information from a file. Let us pull out names from marks.txt. Let us go to the terminal, Alt Tab, cut space marks.txt space hyphen d space open inverted comma space close inverted comma space. Here in cut command, D is the delimiter and the space in between the quotes represents the delimiter. Hyphen F2 for the second column, hit on enter. Paste command will merge corresponding subsequent lines of the files. Let us use both numbers.txt and marks.txt file now. Go to the terminal, paste numbers.txt, marks.txt, enter. Now the first line of marks.txt was appended to the first line of numbers.txt. We can use the redirect key to redirect this output to some other file called concatfile.txt. Go to the terminal, hit on up arrow, hit on the redirect key, which is the greater than symbol, concatfile.txt, hit on enter, cat concatfile.txt. Let's go to the slide. If we want paste to print out the number serially, delimited with a tab, we can use the -s option. Paste -s numbers.txt. Go to the slide. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of Talk to a Teacher project supported by National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. For more information, you can refer to the following link. This is Bala. Thanks a lot for watching this video and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye-bye.